All right, we are back. It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having an amazing day today, guys. We're back to do an update for BrunoEx. All right, if you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Check out my crypto projects. The link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, it's Thursday. Thankful Thursday. And we are here, first of all, to remind you guys to process your withdrawals today so that you can receive your withdrawal earnings, your crypto rewards on Friday. All right, so that's what Thursday is. So let's go over BrunoEx just a little bit. Another staple for me in my portfolio, BrunoEx. I like what they have going on here. I actually went through one cycle, a 90-day plan. It did wonderfully well. Okay, no issues, no drama with it. And I went back. I took 3 weeks off from it after the 90-day ended. I was looking at some other plans out here, which I came back to BrunoEx because I looked at everything and I was like, why not? And sure enough, you know, these other hypes and things like that, they come and go very quickly. So I said, well, why not? Let's go back into BrunoEx. So we in process in another 90-day cycle. All right, BrunoEx, such as StableSwap, they are conservative platforms, so they don't get a lot of attention. You know, people like the hypes, that type of thing, but I'm looking for more of the sustainable projects. So this is right up my alley. Perfect. The owner is hands-on with this project also, and so that makes the difference. We know who he is, and this is for the long haul as well. And this program has been around since, what did they say, October 22nd, October 2022. Let's see, make sure I get it right. Let's go back over here. Hang on, let's see here really quickly. I want to say they said October 2022. Let me just see here. Give me a second. It was October 2022. That's correct. Okay. So they've been around quite a while. So what is BrunoEx? BrunoEx is a 2-in-1 revolutionary platform for the crypto heads, wherein we provide simple and fast cryptocurrency exchanges with almost 900 coins available for exchange and holds no limits. You can exchange as much as you want, account free, worry free, and faster than light. The fiat off and on ramp option is also available, wherein you can buy or sell cryptocurrency with your credit card, debit cards, and bank transfers. Moreover, you can choose to invest your cryptocurrency in one of our meticulously crafted and attractive investment plans to earn a passive income regardless of any volatility in the market. Okay? And who are we? BrunoEx serves as a cryptocurrency exchange and an asset and wealth management firm with a focus on delivering a non-custodial swap service. We facilitate the seamless buying and selling of cryptocurrencies while also leveraging crowdfunding as a strategic investment avenue across diverse sectors, fostering mutually beneficial relationships. Our investment reserves are safeguarded by leading blockchain security experts, and our investment strategies are meticulously crafted by top-tier traders in the market. All right, and then they tell you here why choose BrunoEx. Easy, simple user interface, professional fund management, secure and safest investments, equal client priority, flexibility on deposits and term, crypto swap buy and sell, rewarding referral program, P2P internal transfers. And then, of course, this part right here that most people, like I said, aren't really paying attention to Bruno. But check it out. Our investment portfolio includes crypto trading, premium real estate, oil and gas, forex trading, and gold trading. Okay? All right, guys? So they are diversified themselves, right? So they're just not a crypto trading platform. All right, I listened to the AMA of the owner of the company, and he explained that. Okay, so I learned a lot, and that's when I realized, you know what? Sometimes things are right in front of you, but you get distracted, you know, with new projects or whatever that's going on, and you lose sight, right? So that's why I am back. All right, so again, I'm staying focused on the projects that I have, and BrunoEx is definitely one of those as well. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is what they consist of and how they're earning, okay, ROIs, okay, in these different sectors. All right, so this is BrunoEx, guys. All right, so let's go take a look at what we've got going on here. Let me pull up the Telegram. Hang on. And FYI, also make sure you subscribe and join the Telegram groups of all the projects that you are part of. That way you can stay informed of what's going on with these projects, right? All right, so in the Telegram group, let's see, today, and they sent us an email too. Stay ahead with Bruno Investments. BrunoEx Investments, investing that packs a punch. This week, as Bitcoin hits its all-time high, there's a buzz in the air, making it the perfect moment to turn that digital success into tangible cash. If the crypto game feels a bit overwhelming, worry not. BrunoEx investment plans have got you covered. Here are our top investment plans that will surely elevate your financial gains. So they have the USD 1000 plan. Invest as little as you get a fixed sum, 1,000. Invest $1,000 with impressive weekly return of 2%. With a short duration of just 2 months, enjoy an impressive return of 16%. Now we're talking numbers. This plan offers user flexibility to open multiple investments, maximize returns, and waives withdrawal fees and weekly fee deductions reimbursed at capital return. That's the USD 1000 plan. Then they have the Prestige plan. If you like bigger numbers, then the Prestige plan is made for you. Invest a minimum fixed deposit of $2,500 with a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10 active plans per user, enabling you to invest a total amount of $25,000. This investment offers a daily profit of 0.42% and monthly profit of 12.6% with capital return and a 4% withdrawal fee waived on capital at the end of the term, resulting in an impressive net profit of 75.6%. Okay, so that's what they got going on. And today is Thursday, right? So they're going to be looking at what, week 72? When was this? Yeah, week 72. Okay, this thing has been paying out. Like I said, I went 90-day round with them. This is my second 90-day round that I am in. Now, with BrunoEx, you can only withdraw in USDT BEP20. Okay, so they deal with the stable coin as far as withdrawal, and I'll show you the coins that they accept for getting started as far as your deposit. All withdrawal requests received beyond the cutoff time will be processed the following Friday. So if you don't do it on Thursday, it'll be the next week. You'll miss the Friday. The next day, it will be the next week. Okay? So you can always put your request in for your withdrawal, but they're only gonna process it for that Friday. Okay? Alright, so that's what they got going on here. BrunoEx. So definitely go check it out. Please use risk capital before getting in this platform or any other platform dealing with crypto. Alright guys, let's see what we got going on over here. Alright, so as you can see we've withdrawn from the platform our deposit, and we've got a balance here, so I'm definitely going to withdraw. Sure am. So let me get my 2FA ready. Alright, so before we do that though, let me show you which coins they actually accept here. So if you want to get started, right, you can click deposit. Right here. So here's what they accept. USDT BEP20, USDT ERC20, Polygon, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC BEP20, XRP, Matic, Polygon, BNB, and BEP20. Okay? Those are the coins that they accept. So you just click deposit, come here, click deposit now. Okay. I have a lot of tabs open on this thing, so it's probably going to be moving slow. Hang on a second. Okay, so now it asks, well, how much, in which currency, right? So you click this little drop box, select the currency, type the amount, right? And then click continue to deposit. Alright guys, once it shows up in the balance here, right, then you can select the plan that you want. So you go over here, here are the plans. Alright, so here are the plans. They have the standard plan is 3 months. They have this premium plan is 6 months, an ultimate plan for 1 year. You can get started for as low as $10, crypto in, crypto out. This one as low as 50, this one as low as 100. Okay, and it states the terms with these, right? Now you get your capital back at the end with these, and 1 year, 6 month term, 3 month term, right? Then you have your daily ones here, okay, and minimum $10, minimum $500 for this one, and $1,000 for this last one. That's 365 days. So you have 90 day, 180, and 365. Okay, and so let's say you made your deposit and you decide, hey, I want to go. And here's the other plans. These are more of the special offers. The prestige plan. 6 months, 2,500 deposit, fixed rate 6 months. Corporate plan 4.5% a week for 3 months, 50,000. USD plan 2% a week, 2 month term. Okay, so those more of the special offers. But let's say you've made your deposit and watch what it does, because, well, it's probably going to take it because I've got the 17 here. As long as I've got that minimum. So let's say I wanted to say that was the amount, and I just click invest now. Okay, and then it pops up here and it shows the balance. You click continue to invest. Okay, all right, so you make your deposit in the platform, then you select the plan. Okay guys, that's how that will go. All right, so what we want to do is let's go ahead and process a withdrawal. Oh, okay. So here we are. Withdraw funds. Okay. They tell you how much it is. Withdraw now. Okay. Yep, that's where I want it to go. The amount. It's going to go with this. Oh. Okay. Click continue to withdraw. They confirm it. I like how they do this. You are about to. They tell you what you're about to do, where it's going to go. The amount, they charge $2. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. And then I click confirm. This will be processed tomorrow, guys. Okay, here it goes. Your funds are on the way. We'll send an email confirmation shortly. Check that email for details on when the funds will reach. Well, it'll be tomorrow, okay? Because today is Thursday. They process it on Friday. Sometimes I've seen it in there. I just got an email. Sometimes I'll see it show up sometime Thursday night. They do it a little bit early. All right? Remember, it's USDT BEP20. That's the coin they're going to use for withdrawals. Okay, it's done. Done. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's go back over here. We can actually check here. If we click here, let me show you. There it is, transaction. Okay. The request. All right. So we've made several, even with the 90-day plan, the last one, we made several withdrawals in this platform. Okay. So this is definitely one I'm focusing on as well. Again, I'm going to focus on the projects that I have. Okay. So if you're interested in any of these, do your research, do your due diligence, use risk capital before getting started. You can check out these projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what they're all about. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.